Hello and welcome back to Moto Stylish channel. Royal Enfield's 2024 Shotgun 650 throws down the gauntlet, asking riders, new bike or pre-owned gem? But the answer hinges on a missing piece, the price tag, which remains shrouded in mystery until spring. This latest descendant of the 648 cubic centimeters parallel twin family introduced in 2018 promises a fun, affordable ride. But can it truly compete with established players or the allure of a used motorcycle? Let's delve into the details. Built for comfort, not speed demons. The Shotgun 650 boasts a steel tubular spine frame, a 57-inch wheelbase, and a 3.6-gallon fuel tank, echoing the Triumph Bonneville in size. While its 530-pound weight might raise eyebrows, don't let it fool you. The 47-horsepower engine, peaking at 7,250 RPM, delivers a satisfying power band, ideal for city commutes and leisurely jaunts. The 6-speed transmission, though lacking quick shifting, complements the engine's character with smooth gear changes. Cruising bliss or canyon carver? The Shotgun's relaxed riding position, with foot pegs nudged forward, offers comfort in cityscapes and on open roads. However, its dirt bike-style bars feel heavy at slow speeds. The 31.2-inch seat height caters to most riders, but the combination with forward pegs might hinder aggressive canyon carving. Suspension and braking, a mixed bag. Showa's big piston forks and twin rear shocks provide a comfortable ride, but the damping might feel stiffer for heavier riders. The 18-inch front wheel and forward foot pegs encourage a slower, more deliberate approach to cornering. Braking, with a single front disc and a rear disc, is adequate but lacks the immediate bite and power of some competitors. Technology, basic but functional. With an estimated price range of $6,000 to $7,000, cutting-edge tech wasn't expected. However, the lack of a tachometer alongside a gear indicator and fuel gauge feels like a missed opportunity. The competition heats up. Royal Enfield faces stiff competition, primarily from its British counterpart, Triumph. The Shotgun's trump card is its price, likely undercutting the Bonneville. However, budget-conscious riders also have options: Kawasaki Ninja 650, Yamaha XSR 700, and Honda CBR 500R. Used versus new, a tough call. The used market beckons with tempting options, offering potentially higher performance and established brands like Ducati Monster, Norton Commando, and BMW. But these might come with maintenance headaches. Royal Enfield's growing presence. Founded in 1901, Royal Enfield has carved its niche in the Americas, starting with the Himalayan in 2016. The Shotgun 650 marks their attempt to capture the entire middleweight segment, from cafe racers to roadsters and cruisers. The verdict: wait and see. With the price still under wraps, the Shotgun 650's true value remains uncertain. While it offers a comfortable ride, decent power, and budget-friendly appeal, its competition is fierce, both new and used. So, before you decide, wait for the price reveal and weigh all your options carefully. The Shotgun might be a fun new ride, but it's not the only game in town. Well, that's a wrap for our review. Thanks for joining us today on Moto Stylish. And we'll see you next time for more exciting reviews and updates on the latest vehicles and trends in the world of motorcycles.